Saqqara, I got a chance to watch how a rug was made.
All the silk from the animal or the caterpillar, I mean this is a silk wool. And all the color here, it's a vegetables dyed color. We use cactus, henna to be natural color. That means we can wash the carpets by any water, color never get down, never fade. You can touch, it's very soft, not sharp.
It is, wow.
Yes. He follows a pattern. Each square centimeters contains 64 knots. 8 by 8. Okay. To finish 1 square meter take about 3 months. Because this is individual knots.
3 months.
Okay? Yes. I will show you how he makes the knots. I will tell him to make one slowly to see how he makes the knots. He take one from the front, ماشي حودة, turn around, the other from the front, take from the middle, take both of them down and cut. This one knots. One more. Here in Egypt, by the way, we don't use no, we use yes. It's better for the neck. And also the color, it's a vegetable dyed color. This is a pattern, the design paper. But here each square centimeters contains 36 knots, not 64 like the silk. See, silk take a lot of time. This is cotton over cotton. You can touch. It's very soft.
It is.
And also the color, it's a vegetable dyed color. Each square centimeter, 36 knots like camel wool and cotton. 45 days to finish 1 square meter. It's the same way like camel wool and cotton. Okay, and it's very soft as you see. And when we finish, we cut the rough edges by hand scissor to be very clear. Okay. This is the third kind or last kind we have here. This is also camel wool, but this is by weaving. It's not by knots. It's very hard to work because there is no pattern, no design paper to follow. He put the design in his mind. We call it this is imagination. He put the sphinx and pyramids, the village, bottom of the sea, anything. He used his hands and his legs, the paddles, to be both sides, double face.
Okay.
Okay? The price for just one side, the other for free. 3 side end.
Free
3 side.
side.
Because this is both side. This side with the price. The other side for free.
Okay. I decided to purchase a small rug from them, and it was made out of camel wool. I bought this particular carpet because of its intricate design. I highly recommend you attend any carpet store in Egypt. You will not regret it. This concludes this travel episode. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any concerns, please respond below, and more videos are to come. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.